Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shipping address to your Best Buy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the sign in button at the top section and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken back into the home page, if you haven't already added a shipping address to your account, then click on your account icon from the top section and then click on account. This will now take you into the account settings page. Now click on account settings at the left side and now underneath your info you will see the addresses section. Click on this button and now click on add an address. You will then be asked to enter your entire address. Type in your first and your last name followed by your full address, your city as well as your state. Then finally enter the zip code followed by your phone number. After entering all of these information, you can click on the save button and your shipping address will be added onto your account right away. You can change this address later if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an address to your Best Buy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.